This is how to hard reset, factory reset. This is the Coolpad Legacy CP3705. This is what it looks like. And this phone has two more lessons. One, we have got some broken LCD, so it'll be hard to read the screen. And also, volume down is broken. So let's see how we factory reset this. Luckily, we use volume up and power at the same time to hold. And the word recovery just shows up here. So we're going to enter recovery mode. We don't have to do anything else. The fallen Android no command is going to show up here. Now we hold power and quick touch volume up. Hold power, quick touch volume up. And now you can see that we've got a little bit of problem reading that screen. Let's see if we can get that focus to come in. There it is. All right, so you can barely see the W for wipe, and I can't scroll down. So if I push volume down, it's broken. It doesn't even engage. So what I have to do, oh, it went one. All right. I'm going to use volume up to scroll around the other way to where that WI shows up. Right there. Okay, and let's see what happens if I push enter. Okay, the wipe all data, this cannot be undone. That's usually the correct message for the factory reset function. But again, I can't push volume down, so I push volume up to get to yes and yes. Now we can wipe that, and it will show down here that the data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Hopefully that has helped you, and keep in mind that if you've used your Google or Gmail login and password to set the phone up, you'll need your Google or Gmail login and password to get back in the phone. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.